Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Binance and Trust Wallet in just a few simple steps. If you're ready, let's dive right in. First, open up your Trust Wallet app on your phone. Next, locate and tap on the Smart Chain option. Once you're in the Smart Chain wallet, click Receive. This will display your Smart Chain wallet address. Now, tap Copy to save this wallet address to your clipboard. To connect your Trust Wallet to Binance Smart Chain, you'll need to transfer BNB into this wallet. You can do this transfer from any wallet where you hold BNB. For example, MetaMask Wallet, Binance Spot Wallet. Just ensure that you're transferring the BNB using the Binance Smart Chain (BSC) network. Once the BNB has been successfully deposited into your Trust Wallet under the Smart Chain wallet, you're all set. This means your Trust Wallet is now connected to the Binance Smart Chain. That's how you connect Binance and Trust Wallet. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Thank you for watching.